Gusto mo lumago, gusto mo lumalim, gusto mo magbago. Okay, let's look on your lifestyle every day. What are you looking on? What are you watching? What are you listening to? Lalo na sa mga kabataan sa ating mundo na wala ng filter. Tayo na mismo ang talagang mag-filter nun. So if we want to be holy, then basic is feed on what will make you holy. That's a very simple logic. Kaya sinabihan tayo ng Bible na kung mag-iisip ka, ito yung mga bagay na mabuti, kapuri-puri, totoo, marangal, matuwid, malinis, maganda, kanais-nais. Yan yung mga gate natin sa ating isipan. In what we are feeding upon. Always examine or determine your thoughts. Pag hindi pumasa dyan, then do not let it pass in your thoughts, in your senses.